Are you traveling to Korea for the first time? Same! Ako din! I've been wanting to travel to Korea for the longest time. Finally, this year, nakatiyempo ako ng seat sale kaya eto, matik na agad na nag-book na kami. My name is Joff and I create food and travel vlogs. Join me on my first time trip to Seoul, South Korea. On our first day, I'll show you the things we did upon landing at the airport, a room tour of our hotel sa Myeongdong na sobrang convenient kasi malapit sa bus stop and train station, and the highlight of our first day, our visit to the Gyeongbokgung Palace in the Bokchon Hanok Village. Hello!
Hello, good morning. Kakalaan lang namin here sa Incheon International Airport. It's our first time here sa Korea. So right now, naghintay lang kami ng bagahe, but ang plano namin for the day, in the morning, ikot-ikot lang kami until it's our time to check-in. Sana payagan kami na mag-check-in ng early. But in the afternoon, we're going to Gyeongbokgung Palace. After that, we're gonna go to the Hanbok Village and magsuot kami ng hanbok and then go around. Before namin ma-achieve yun lahat, mag-adventure muna kami here sa airport kasi there are a lot of things that we have to figure out. Una, kailangan namin hanapin saan yung pocket wifi na binook namin sa Klook. So we're gonna look for it kung saan man siya dito. And then we also need to figure out how to buy and reload our T-Money cards para makaalis kami here in the first place. Hindi pa namin alam paano kami pupunta ng hotel. Hindi pa namin alam paano kami makakapunta ng Seoul, ng Myeongdong. So ngayon pa lang namin talaga i-figure out. Okay? Ay, nakilala ba kita? Miko. This is Miko. This is my travel buddy. My Korea travel buddy. Siyempre, ang unang meal namin dito sa Korea ay convenience store. Ayan. Interesting din. Parang Japan. Ayan, may mga onigiri pa nga eh. Bumili ako ng tea. So, I'm thinking this is a peach drink na 0 calorie daw. And I got a sandwich. Dahil na-miss ko yung sandwich sa mga konbini sa Japan. And then, it reminded me so much of those. So, I'm gonna try this sandwich for my first meal here sa Korea. Lamig nga. Hindi nga enough yung 2 layers. Kailangan mag 3 layers tayo dito. Kita? Ganun po kalamig dito. Na-shock kami ni Miko kasi sa airport sa loob ng airport medyo warm pa. Pero when you leave the exit, oh my God! Talagang lalamig yung tenga mo, kailangan talaga mag 3 layers. So now, hinahanap namin yung limousine bus, si 6015. Sana mahanap namin siya.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon enter the airport highway. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Ayan, yung mga chairs are reclinable. Hanggang reclinable sila dyan. Then, kapag bababa na kayo, yan, depende din nyo yan. Before dumating sa station, pintin nyo na para the driver knows na bababa kayo dun sa coming station. So, dito po kami bumaba sa Pine Avenue. Ayan, pagbaba dyan sa Pine Avenue, lakad lang tayo. There. Lakad. Pupunta sa hotel namin. I think that's it. Yan na siya, yung hotel namin, si Travelodge. Okay, finally we made it. Ito po yung room namin here sa Travelodge Myeongdong Yeoljiro. So this is what you see when you first enter the room. And then here on the side, ayan, nilagay ko na yung shoes ko dyan. Bongga yung slippers nila. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung slippers nila ay hindi yung disposable na usual white slippers. Ano siya? Parang fall leather slippers. Ayan, nilagay na namin dyan yung stuff namin. So to your left, andyan agad yung mga essentials for coffee, ganun. So, meron tayong konting, I don't know, I think kape ba to? Kape and tea. And then, dito may teapot dito kanina, pero kinuha namin kasi i-refill namin sa labas. And then, merong fridge sa ilalim. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating service ng water. O, pack. Yan, wala silang pinaprovide the water bottles here kasi for sustainability and all that. I-refill mo na lang yung tubig nyo sa water refilling stations in the lab. And then, this is the toilet. Hello! So, eto po. Po, meron silang bidet. So, yung parang mga Japanese style bidet na nakita natin. Ang issue pala dito sa Travelodge ay hindi lahat ng rooms nila mayroong bidet. So, nung nag-book kami, talagang nirequest namin, minessage namin sila, nasabi namin, we want a room na merong bidet. Para lang sure na meron kami, di ba? Kasi that's one of our major considerations when booking a hotel. And then, ito ay mga tissue, puno naman, towels here, tapos, ayan yung sink, andyan yung usual sink, parang walang masyadong toiletries. Dito yung shower. So, later, test natin kung may heater. Feeling ko naman may heater kasi ang lamig ngayon dito sa Korea. Ganyan lang, simple lang yung shower. And then, body wash and shampoo. Ayun, ganun lang ka. Straightforward ang kanyang toilet. Ito naman sa bed. So, we have twin beds here. Ayan, kahit na twin bed sila, medyo malaki naman per bed. Tsaka, firm. Yung pillows nga lang nila, tig-isa lang. And, well, medyo okay lang din naman. Akala ko wala, pero okay lang. Medyo maliit lang yung pillow for my choosing, for my preference. Ito ano lang siya, table, and then chair. You get a view of the construction outside. Pero hindi naman narinig dito, hindi siya maingay. So, okay lang. And then, ayan. Ito, para mas makita ninyo. Yan po ang beds ninyo. Magkatabi lang kayo dyan. And then, ito naman ang harap ng bed. So, mayroon TV. Here pa lang, marami na mga sasalubong sa inyo na hanbok rental places. Okay. Yan, iba-iba. Choose the colors that you like. I think I like this. Daming outfit. Let's go. Ito yung first major tourist visit namin for today. Galaw ko ng galaw. Pupunta kami ng Gyeongbokgung Palace and as you can see, naka hanbok outfit kami ni Miko kasi free ang entrance kapag naka hanbok outfit ka. So paglabas namin ng train station, meron agad mga nakahilera doon na mga hanbok rental shops. So ito, 15,000 if you rent it for the whole day, 15,000 won. If 1 hour lang, 9,000 won. So medyo sulit na to.
Mukhang character sa Bayani.
Yes! Oh, very, very historical ang first ano natin. So, hinihingal ako kasi nagmamadali kami. Gusto namin mahabol yung 2 PM na changing of guards. And time is
1 PM. Ay, 2 PM.
2 PM na! Ito na rin naman siya. Dito na sa harap namin.
문장의 신원 확인과 수문군의 배치 절차인 대고 상 타 끝까지 관람해주신 관람객 여러분 대단히 감사합니다.
Ayun, so naabutan naman namin yung changing of guards. Eksakto silang 2 o'clock nag-start. And eksakto ring 2:15 natapos. So talagang 15 minutes yung buong performance. Siguro better if andito kayo before, like mga 1:30, andito na kayo para you get a nice position, para makita nyo na maayos. Kasi kami na-realize namin na nakatalikod pala sa amin yung mga guards. If gusto nyo na nakaharap sa inyo yung mga guards, dito kayo banda sa may, yan, dapat dyan sa entrance na yan. Dito kayo dapat pumesto para nakaharap sa inyo yung mga guards when they do their performance.
Yeah, the symbol of the 5 mountains surrounding.
This.
And the sheriff.
So, ang first authentic Korean food that I will be eating, kasi kanina yung kinain ko sandwich lang from convenience store. But now, we're going to have noodles.
Oh my god, so good.
Na super anghang noodles yung kay Miko. Sa akin ay noodles with dumplings. Oh, yan. Maanghang. Ito naman sa akin, yung noodles with dumplings. Muusok pa siya, guys. Ayun, kakatapos lang namin kumain after leaving the Gyeongbokgung Palace. And now, we're walking to the Bukchon Hanok Village. So ito siya ay, this is like a tourist area na meron sila many na mga preserved traditional Korean houses which they call yung mga hanok. And then doon parang it will give you like an immersive na experience kasi you'll get to take in kung ano yung traditional nila na life back then. You can go to the preserved na mga alleyways. You can even wear hanbok ulit. So yun, puntahan natin siya and siguro magmuni-muni tayo doon. Feel natin kung ano yung what it's like sa traditional na Korean lifestyle back then. So this is what it's like. Ayan, maraming mga hanbok na rental doon. And then, pupunta na tayo sa mismong village. Medyo touristy na pala siya, guys. Ang daming tao.
Sadly guys, underwhelm ako dito kay Bukchon Hanok Village. Sa photos kasi, parang immersive talaga. Pero in real life, it's just one long road with traditional architecture sa sides. Yan yung nilakad namin na yan na yun. Tapos uphill pa, so kakapagod talaga ng bongga. Next time, I'll check the other villages. Baka nicer yung experience.
Iinitin na lang. Yan. So, luto na to. We'll just leave it here.
That's our first day guys. Konti lang ganap pero pagod na pagod kami niyan. On our second day, we're going to feed alpacas, go on a food trip sa Nami Island, and ride a railway bike. So please subscribe to my channel and follow me for more food trips and travel tips.